तो ये एआई वेआई सब आप सीख रहे हैं?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
भाई आप कोई प्रोग्राम तो नहीं है यार?
बहुत एआई आंसर था यार। भाई खुद एक प्रोग्राम ही है भाई।
ये प्रॉपर कोई
खुद एक
आर्टिफिशियल
program है।
आदमी लग रहा है मेरे को। हाँ हाँ हाँ, जीरो इमोशन।
भाई डू यू हैव अ गर्लफ्रेंड?
नो
गर्लफ्रेंड का तो पता नहीं, बट डेटा साइंस रोड मैप हाँ. So if you're someone who is already working and close to 2-3 years of experience and want to switch to data science domain, it is the roadmap. So either you can switch internally in your company or organization for your projects, or you can build a portfolio or projects of your own, and for that you need below skill sets. So अगर hard skills की बात करें, so you need a coding language which is Python, Java, R. So any one of these is fine, and some knowledge of SQL, any type of database. SQL and NoSQL is good. Some knowledge on machine learning and like core concepts should be very good, at least. So like NLP, deep learning is kind of important. Basic concepts, bias, variance, and what is training, testing data sets. So yeah, some knowledge of big data concept. So basically big data includes Spark, some cloud computing knowledge as well, like Azure, AWS, GCP. Yeah, and with that some knowledge on data visualization, so like making sense of data and then taking the business decision. So for example, Power BI is a good one, or Tableau is also fine. Anything is fine. Let's consider some of the soft skills. So again, hard skill is not something that is important. Soft skills भी काफी matter करती है, because interviews में they would ask you these questions and then you might get rejected if you don't answer these questions properly. So these soft skills are problem solving skills. Let's say, how do you approach a problem? For example, let's say you have a training set, you have a training and testing data set. How would you categorize the data set? So scenario based questions related to problem solving. You need to have very good communication skills, because most of the time your work revolves around communication with internal teams, communication with stakeholders, so team stakeholders, about how a business decision would affect and how would you take the decision basis on the data. So that's something that's really important. And managing your team as well, managing the team of data engineers, software engineers, coordinating with project managers. Yeah, that's how the work majorly revolves, and communication is the crucial thing for that. And I would say the last part is some understanding of business acumen or business problem. For example, what exactly are you trying to solve and what is your approach solving that problem? So this is very important. So looking at the data, what decisions are you making and why are you making those decisions? So these kind of scenario based questions is most commonly asked in interviews. And yeah, all sorted.